Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I would like to show you how I run the Unity WebGL build locally using the Python SimpleHTTPServer. This is a quick and easy method for testing your WebGL project straight from your computer. Let's dive into it. Heading to your Unity WebGL project and to the build setting page. Now, let's head over to the build setting and you can see the WebGL is selected. If you don't see the WebGL, you might need to install it using the Unity hub. And now I will simply do the builds. For this, I will enter the build name for build 0. Once the build is completed, let's move over to our desktop. Here's how you can see the build project in this area. Now, let's start our Python in this directory. Now, to launch the local server, simply type python -m http.server, and then the path is optional. Sorry. Python 3 -m http is my Python server. It's my Python version. Alright, now you can see in this directory your pod is ready. So you can start your own browser. In my case, I'm using Edge for this demonstration. Now you can type the local host and your pod number. Now you can open the Unity project in your local server and test it in your local environment. And that's it. You're successfully export and run a Unity WebGL project locally. If you found this video is helpful, don't forget to like it, comment, and subscribe for more Unity tips and tricks. Thank you for your watching, and I will see you in the next one.